What if the sun disappeared right now? It's a normal day. You're going about your life, and then, without warning, the sun just vanishes. Gone, completely, instantly. What happens? Most people think we'd freeze immediately. Darkness everywhere. Panic. The end. But the reality is far more interesting and far more terrifying. Let me walk you through exactly what would happen minute by minute. First 8 minutes? Nothing. Absolutely nothing changes. Why? Because light takes time to travel. The sun is 150 million kilometers away. Light from the sun takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. So when the sun disappears, we wouldn't know for 8 minutes. We'd still see it in the sky, still feel its warmth. Everything completely normal. You could be having lunch, completely unaware that the sun is already gone. Then, 8 minutes and 20 seconds after the sun vanished, everything changes. The sky goes dark. Instantly. Not a sunset, not twilight, just off. Like someone flipped a switch. Daylight disappears. The sun is gone from the sky. Panic begins immediately. Everyone on Earth sees it. The sun just vanished. No warning, no explanation. Within minutes, every scientist, every government, every person with a phone is trying to understand what happened. But here's where it gets interesting. Temperature doesn't drop immediately. Earth has thermal mass. The atmosphere, the oceans, the land, they hold heat. It takes time to cool down. In the first hour, temperature drops maybe 2 to 3 degrees. Noticeable, but not catastrophic. But it keeps dropping, steadily, relentlessly. By the end of the first day, temperature has dropped about 20 degrees Celsius. Cold, but survivable with heating. The bigger problem? No sunlight means no photosynthesis. Plants stop producing oxygen and food immediately. But we have oxygen in the atmosphere, enough to last for thousands of years even without plants. The real crisis is heat. After 1 week, Earth's average temperature is below freezing. Everywhere, the equator, the tropics, everywhere. Oceans start to freeze. Not all at once. Surface water first. Ice spreads from the poles toward the equator. After 1 month, average temperature is around 50 degrees C. Most of Earth is frozen solid. Any humans still alive are in heated bunkers, underground facilities, or near geothermal vents. Surface life dead. Almost everything. Frozen solid. But here's the shocking part. Some life would survive. Deep ocean life near hydrothermal vents. They don't rely on the sun. They get energy from Earth's internal heat. Some bacteria and microbes underground would survive. They've never seen sunlight anyway. And humans? With technology, some could survive for years, maybe decades. Underground cities powered by nuclear or geothermal energy. Farms lit by artificial light. Completely independent of the sun. It wouldn't be living. It would be surviving. But it would be possible. After 1 year without the sun, Earth is completely frozen. Average temperature around 100 degrees or colder. The atmosphere itself starts to freeze. Nitrogen and oxygen turn liquid, then solid, and fall as snow. Earth becomes a frozen ball of ice, dark, silent, dead. But even then, the planet doesn't stop. Earth would continue orbiting. Wait, no, it wouldn't. The sun's gravity is what keeps Earth in orbit. No sun means no gravitational anchor. Earth would fly off into interstellar space in a straight line at about 30 kilometers per second. We'd become a rogue planet, wandering the galaxy, forever in darkness. Eventually, billions of years later, we might get captured by another star, but the chances are astronomically small. More likely, we'd drift through empty space forever, a frozen tomb carrying the remnants of a civilization that once thrived. This is what the sun means to us. It's not just light, it's not just heat. It's everything. Life itself. Warmth. Energy. The very reason we exist. Without the sun, Earth is just a cold rock floating in infinite darkness. So the next time you feel the sun on your face, remember, that warmth is the only thing standing between us and a frozen death. The sun isn't just a star in the sky. It's our lifeline, our everything, and we should never take it for granted.